Do you feel like you have zero visibility over your business? Want more insight into what your most profitable jobs are? Unravel hidden patterns and uncover valuable trends with ease. No more guesswork, just data-driven decisions. With BI reporting from Simpro, identify profitable projects, pinpoint areas of inefficiency, and optimize your resources to maximize your bottom line. Drill down into the data that matters most to your business. Create customized reports with ease or advanced SQL queries for deep business intelligence. Don't get overwhelmed by the data. Be empowered by it. Simplify complex data with interactive visual dashboards, helping you explore hidden opportunities and drive growth. Then share your discoveries with your team through automated reports right to your inbox or embed them into presentations. Are you ready to unleash the power of data insights? Upgrade to Simpro's BI reporting add-on today and take control of your business's future. Analyze smarter, report smarter, work smarter with BI reporting by Simpro. Download our reporting ebook today to learn more.